Good morning, class 11. As you know that we have, I think, completed the first chapter in your Hornbill book, that is English book by NCRT. In the same chapter, you have a poem, and I gave you the video, the text, as well as the question answer of the first chapter, that is the portrait of a lady by Khushwant Singh. So please write it in your note down, the question answer, read it, write down the summary, write down the main theme of that story, and do it. Today I am happy to inform you that we are going to have a poem from the same chapter, that is a photograph. It's composed by Shirley Tulson. Shirley Tulson, the poet, in this poem, a photograph also is very nostalgic. Nostalgic means the person who remembers his past here. As you know that in the first story also you have been acquainted with the feeling of the poet, that he is trying to tell the qualities of his grandmother, how they have the bond there, and the writer also is mesmerizing his past, that was related to his grandmother. This poem, that is a photograph, the poem title is A Photograph, that is composed by Shirley Tulson. In the same chapter, it is about the history. The poet is mesmerizing, poet is remembering the past, and the poet is the female poet. Shirley Tulson is a female poet, and she is remembering her past with his mother and one sister. And you know that the people go to there. Sometimes they go to beach, they go to for picnic, and they have this small capturing. They have the small photographs there to keep it as a memory. They have that they have gone there. The writer is watching the photograph that is hanging on the wall, on the wall in her house, and seeing that she is trying to correlate herself with her past. Okay, how her mother and with a sister, they were very happy, what kind of the family they have, and how this photograph it's a kind of historical you know remembrance of the past. So let us start, let us read this story. Once I read whole story, once I read whole poem, and then we will go through the line by line. The poem is like this. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding up my mother's hand, and see the big girl, some 12 years or so, and three stood still, a smile through their hair, at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and see, which appears to have changed less, was their terrible transient feat. Some 20-30 years later, she laughed at this snapshot. See Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed up at the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her daughter. Both vary with labored ace of loss. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of these circumstances there is nothing to say at all. It's a silences. It's a silences. Now look at the poem. The poem, I think the poem is very clear to understand. The cardboard shows me how it was when two girls cousins were paddling. Paddling in the sense moving. जो कार्डबोर्ड है, जो दैट इज़ द पिक्चर, जो कार्डबोर्ड पिक्चर और जो पिक्चर कार्डबोर्ड पर लगा हुआ है, ये वो मुझे ये बताता है कि व्हेन द टू गर्ल्स कजिन वेंट पैडलिंग, जब ये दो जो है कि चचेरी भतीजी या जो भी कह लीजिए उसको, भाई बहन, यू एंड सिस्टर्स, दे वेंट टू द बीच फॉर वॉकिंग, फॉर ट्रेवलिंग, फॉर गोइंग there on the beach of the sea, and how it was. The poet said, the how was the scene there, how was the visual there when a mother carrying two small girls' hand in her hand, both hand, right and left. And now she is trying to describe the quality there, the attractive things there, how they were looking there. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girls cousin went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand. Both the girls, they were the both girl, एक लेफ्ट में एक राइट में, और वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि actually the girl is the poet herself, and she is trying to imagine with other girls, they were the girls, but basically they were the poet and her sister, they were there handling the hand of their mother, each one handling one of my mother's hand. हम लोगों में से दोनों लोग ने क्या किया, माता जी का एक एक हाथ पकड़ा था, कहाँ, जब जाने बीच पे जाने के लिए. ईच वन हैंडलिंग वंस ऑफ माई मदर्स हैंड, एंड सी द बिग गर्ल सम 12 years हो, जो बड़ी लड़की थी वो लगभग 12 साल की रही होगी. एंड 3 stood still, a smile through their hair at the uncle with camera. Now the girls, two girls, I think the poet as well as his sister and her mother, they stand on a place, to for the photograph. So you go somewhere and you just click one snapshot there, so they are also doing there. Okay, so the poet trying to sensualize herself, her sense of attachment with her mother, that she is trying to describe the situation there. एंड सी द बिग गर्ल्स, बड़ी वाली जो लड़की थी दैट 12 साल की लगभग थी. ऑल थ्री वन, टू गर्ल्स वन मदर, स्टूड स्टिल टू स्माइल थ्रू देयर हेयर at the uncle with camera. Actually uncle has also gone. I don't know, later the uncle, I don't think, also will be disclosed. स्माइल थ्रू देयर, अब कैमरे के सामने फ़ोटो खिंचाने के लिए वो लोग खड़े हो गए. अ स्वीट फेस माई मदर्स, मेरी अ स्वीट फेस माई मदर्स, दैट वाज बिफोर आई वाज बॉर्न. अब ये कह रही हैं कि जो फेस है इन द पिक्चर, जो फेस है, इट्स अ वेरी लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल अट्रैक्टिव. बड़ा स्वीट सा उनका चेहरा था. उस समय था जब मैं पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी. My mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changeless, was their terrible transient fit. अब क्या है कि अब ये प्रेजेंट में आ गई कि मैं अब बड़ी हो गई हूँ. उस समय जब मेरी माता का जो चेहरा था, इट वॉज वेरी लुकिंग वेरी गुड, वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, एंड दे हैव गॉन टू बीच, and the uncle is taking the pictures of them. There are two girls and one, there are two girls, one my mother there, and she says that the sea which appears to have changeless. अब जो पहले सी था जब मेरी मदर थी, उस समय जो सी है आज के सी में कहीं ना कहीं अंतर हो गया है. एंड वाज देयर टेरिबल ट्रांजिट फीट, वे कह रहे हैं कि जो उनका फेस था, उनके जो पैर हैं, जो चलने से पैर जो का निशान बना था, उनको क्या क्या समुद्र ने क्या क्या धो दिया, सी ने धो दिया, सी के पानी ने धो दिया. This is there in first stanza. In the second stanza, some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snob's art. See Betty and Dolly, she would say, look how they dressed up for the beach. अब 20-30 साल बाद क्या होगा, वो बोलेंगे अपनी दो बेटियों से, बोलेंगे देखो बट्टी, देखो डॉली, ये देखो, ये इमेज हम लोग गए थे घूमने के लिए, यहाँ पर घूमने के लिए, और ये बताएंगे कि वो ड्रेस जो कि बीच पर जाने के लिए किस तरह का ड्रेस पहनी थी. She would laugh at a snapshot, see Beauty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed up for the beach. The sea holiday was her past. Now she says, the poet says that the sea holiday, whenever there is holiday, her mother went to the sea and enjoyed the holiday there. The sea holiday was past. अब ये बीत चुका है. Mine is her daughter. मैं जो हूँ उनकी लड़की हूँ. बात वरी विद द लेबर्स एज ऑफ लॉस. तो हम दोनों क्या हैं, कहीं न कहीं एक दूसरे के जो कि एक दूसरे के लॉस को क्या कर रहे हैं, वरी कर रहे हैं. फीलिंग कुछ कम महसूस कर रहे हैं. लेबर केस एंड बात दोनों लोगों का लॉस हुआ. एक मदर हैज लॉस्ट हर चाइल्ड, हर डॉटर, एंड डॉटर लॉस्ट हर मदर. सो दिस इज बोथ साइड, दिस इज डुअल लॉस फ्रॉम द पोएट एंड लॉस फ्रॉम हर मदर also. So some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at this snapshot. See Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed up for the beach. बेटी से बोलेंगे, बेटी ये सब देखो और तुम लोगों को कि बीच पे पहनने के लिए हम लोग कपड़ा कैसा पहनते थे. द सी हॉलीडे वाज पास, माइन इज हर डॉटर, बात वरी विद द लेबर्स एज ऑफ लॉस. अब ये हम दोनों लोग, माई मदर आल्सो इज फीलिंग कि कुछ कम हो गया है, कुछ कमी आ गई है. मुझे भी लग रहा है कुछ कमी आ गई. क्यों? क्योंकि मदर हैज लॉस्ट हर डॉटर एंड डॉटर हैज लॉस्ट हर मदर. तो दिस वाज देयर. Now in the third stanza, now she has been dead nearly a many years as that girl lived. बड़ा दिन हो गया. Now many years, बहुत समय हो गया. जब now she has been dead nearly, अब लगभग जो वो औरत है कहीं न कहीं मरने वाली है. She would have been nearly as many years as the girl lived, and this circumstances there is nothing to say at all. ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी, सबको पता है ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी, यह होने वाला है, लेकिन किसी से कुछ कहना नहीं है. इट्स साइलेंस साइलेंसेज, इट्स साइलेंस साइलेंसेज. जो आया हूँ, इट्स साइलेंस साइलेंसेज. मैं जो हूँ, देयर इज नथिंग टू से, इट्स साइलेंस साइलेंसेज. अभी क्या है कि उन लोगों की क्या है, आवाज़ क्या है, साइलेंस में बदल गई, शांति में बदल गई. ठीक है. तो दिस इज द पोएम, दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस पोएम. द पोएट ट्राइज टू फाइंड आउट हाउ हर मदर वॉज वेरी मच अट्रैक्टिव फॉर हर, हाउ दे वेंट टू द बीच, हाउ दे ड्रेस अप. यस, दिस वॉज देयर. एंड हाउ बोथ द मदर एंड द डॉटर दे हैव लॉस्ट their loss in that such kind of enterprise of knowledge. This is the poem. This is the poem of explanation of the poem also. I think that I also hope you that you will read. If there is any problem, you will also ask to me. So by this hope, I want to thank you that you join me. You have seen this video. Because this video is made for only class 10. This is made only for class 10. But I promise as yesterday that whenever and anyhow I can come and I can take your class. So thank you very much for this, and I hope you enjoy a day and do it. Thank you and good day.